Thinking about buying a quiet air compressor, but not sure which one to pick? The market is full of options. Some promise ultra-quiet operation, others focus on power and efficiency, and some come loaded with extra features. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews and ratings to bring you the top 5 best quiet air compressors. Perfect for home workshops, garages, or anyone who wants powerful performance without the noise. Don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to find out which one is the right fit for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. If you're looking for power without the noise, the Pneumatic quiet air compressor is an excellent choice. Running at just 68 dBs, it's whisper quiet, perfect for home workshops, garages, or even indoor use. Its 5-gallon steel tank and 1.2 HP motor deliver 2.8 CFM at 90 psi, easily handling nail guns, staple guns, airbrushes, and more. The oil-free electric design reduces maintenance costs and starts reliably even in cold weather. It comes with a 25 feet PVC hose, 11 accessories, and an impressive 25-second recovery time, letting you work efficiently without interruptions. Compact, quiet, and highly durable, this compressor makes every project smooth, fast, and stress-free for both DIYers and professionals. Item number 4. Meet the all-top dual-cylinder air compressor kit, a heavy-duty portable inflator built for trucks, 4x4s, RVs, and off-road adventures. Powered by 12 volts, it delivers an impressive 12.35 feet min airflow and a maximum pressure of 150 psi, inflating tires, bicycles, motorcycles, and even inflatable boats quickly and efficiently. Designed for durability, it features a hollow metal shell, dual aluminum cylinders for heat dissipation, and anti-vibration rubber feet for stability. Safety is built in with an auto-thermal cutoff switch and overcurrent protection. The kit includes a 26 feet rubber air hose with pressure gauge, 6.5 feet power cord, tool bag, and multiple nozzle adapters, making it perfect for both off-road enthusiasts and everyday use. Item number 3. The Viver 2.1-gallon air compressor is a compact yet powerful solution for auto repair, tire inflation, spray painting, and woodwork nailing. Powered by a 1.2 horsepower oil-free motor, it delivers 2.2 CFM at 90 psi with a maximum pressure of 116 psi, efficiently running nail guns, impact wrenches, spray guns, and pneumatic tools. Its double-cylinder intake and high-temperature resistant silicone pipe ensure fast, reliable inflation while reducing wear. Equipped with dual silencers, a 3-layer durable steel tank, and automatic overheating protection, it operates quietly at 70 dB while providing safety and long-lasting performance. Lightweight and versatile, this compressor is perfect for both DIYers and professionals looking for a reliable, efficient, and quiet air supply. Item number 2. The Nessa 8-gallon ultra-quiet air compressor is perfect for car repair, spray painting, woodwork nailing, and airbrushing. Powered by a 1.5 oil-free motor, it delivers an impressive 4.52 CFM at 115 psi while running quietly at just 70 dBs. Its single-tube, double-cylinder intake system fills the tank fast, reaching maximum pressure in only 90 seconds. Built for durability, the compressor features a high-temperature resistant silicone intake pipe, anti-rust steel tank, and seamless welding, ensuring long-lasting performance. With portable wheels and handle, dual silencers, automatic overheating protection, and pressure detection, it's safe, efficient, and easy to move. Compact, quiet, and reliable, this compressor is ideal for DIYers and professionals alike. Item number 1. The California Air Tools CAT 4710W is a quiet, lightweight, and portable air compressor perfect for DIYers, small businesses, and homeowners. Featuring a 1.0 HP oil-free dual-piston pump, it delivers 3.0 CFM at 40 psi and 2.2 CFM at 90 psi, filling its 4.7-gallon steel tank from empty to full in just 78 seconds. Operating at only 75 dB, it provides powerful performance without disturbing your workspace. Weighing just 35 pounds with wheels and handle, it's easy to move around your garage, shop, or job site. With low maintenance, thermal overload protection, and a long-lasting design, this compressor combines efficiency, reliability, and convenience, making it ideal for nailing, woodworking, and other home or professional projects. Which of these quiet air compressor is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.